Did you know that 75% of businesses seek outsourcing to improve service quality and reduce costs? Yes, you heard it right. Now, let's dive into key strategies to ensure your outsourced IT company provides the best service to your client. My name is Igor and welcome to our video on maximizing service excellence for outsourced IT companies. Running an outsourced IT company comes with its own set of challenges. But with the right strategies, you can provide exceptional services that exceed client expectations and drive business success. Providing top-notch IT services as an outsourced partner can be challenging, from staying updated with the latest technologies to maintaining security standards. Businesses often face numerous hurdles. These challenges can lead to client dissatisfaction, security breaches, and operational inefficiencies if not addressed properly. So, how can outsourced IT companies overcome these challenges and excel in their services? The key lies in adopting strategies that focus on competence, trustworthiness, security, flexibility, scalability, and collaboration. So let's start from competence. Specialize in areas and technologies relevant to your client's needs. Showcase your industry experience through detailed case studies. Trustworthiness. Uphold integrity by maintaining high clients and employee satisfaction. Utilize platforms like Glassdoor to build trust and transparency. Security measures. Prioritize security with relevant training and certifications like ISO standards to reassure clients of their data safety. Flexibility. Adapt to evolving clients' requirements with swiftly and seamlessly to stay ahead in dynamic IT landscape. Scalability. Prepare for growth by ensuring your company can scale alongside your clients' teams and workload expansions. Collaboration. Foster effective collaboration with clients in-house team, recognizing the importance of proximity for streamlined communication and logistical efficiency. Now imagine this. After implementing these strategies, your IT company not only meets but exceeds clients' expectations. The trust and satisfaction you build lead to long partnerships, increased referrals, and a reputation for excellence in the industry. Your ability to adopt, secure, and scale your services propels your company to new heights of success. In summary, maximizing service excellence in an outsourced IT company involves a strategic focus on competence, trust, security, flexibility, scalability, and collaboration. By adopting these strategies, you can ensure client satisfaction, operational efficiency, and sustainable growth. What strategies do you find most effective in running an outsourced IT company? Share your insights in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more experts' tips on elevating your IT services. Together, let's take your IT company to the next level of success. Stay sharp and be innovative.